Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Al-Mujadid. I wanna tell you how to make a router reflector on Cisco with PNet. First thing you should do is you must make the topology like this. After you create the topology like this, you start all of the router. After returning on, we start from router 4 first. We start from router 4 first. It's so difficult to spell it. It take a time. If you go to the Yuja, you should try this. You should buy bakpia juara 1. Okay. For the first, we will create the interface for this router. Interface IP and the subnet. You know, it's totally very different from MikroTik. If we using MikroTik, we will add the prefix, but in Cisco we using the subnet. After we add the IP address, we we write now shutdown and exit. Okay. Next, we will configure the BGP. You write router BGP maybe 12, and then you write neighbor. So example like this, we add the router 4. So our neighbor is this interface 01 from router 1. Okay. And remote S 12 because we create this on BGP 12. And then we update source. The source and the interface. So this interface is the interface that's going to that uh, IP. So example for that IP 10.10.10.2, the interface that go to that interface for to that IP is this IP. Maybe like that. I will make sure for it first. Maybe just take a little time. Alright, that is that is true. Okay, enter. After update source, it will advertising the network. So for our network is 10.10.10.0/30. 10.10.10.0 and mask for the subnet. And then enter. Then end, and we save the configuration. Okay, we go to the next router 1. Oh yeah, I forgot. So we must to create the name of the router for for easily to identity. Okay, just like before, create the host name and create the interface, IP address, and then to subnet. And then no shutdown. Okay, we exit and we go to the other interface, and the IP address is 10.10.20 and 1, and the subnet. Enter, no shutdown. Oh, look. Oh, no shutdown. Okay. After this, we configure the BGP. Loh, after BGP 12 enable 10.10.1 remote as 12. So we add the router 1, so our neighbor is this interface. Okay, and we update. Nah, update source is 1 and network oh, How about the network? I think it's same. Wait a minute. Alright, it's same. Oh, wait. Because we create the BGP to the router 4, so the network is this interface. Okay. Mas. And then okay. Nah. Next, we will create the BGP for other neighbor 21. Oh, 22. Oh, sorry. Remote S12, and then update source 0, and then network. Okay, it done, and we save the configuration. Okay guys, so now we will config for the for the router 2. We waiting first. Just like before, as name R2 and interface. Oh. Interface IP address. Oh my god, my belly. Address and subnet. Now shut down and exit. We go to the next interface. IP address is 20.20.21. The subnet is because there is a prefix 24. The subnet is like this. Now shut down and exit. We go to the router. BGP 12. Neighbor is 10.10.21. Remote as 12, and then update source is okay, and network. Oh, mask. Okay, we go to other neighbor. Neighbor is 12, 12, 12, 2. To remote as I will make it show. Okay, remote s is 3 and update source and the network and must okay, save the configuration. Next we will config for the router 3. Wait a minute. It's okay. Okay. Like before, we will config the interface first. For the IP is 20.20.22 and the subnet. Okay, now shut down and exit. Next we go to the router. BGP3 okay. Neighbor is 1, remote is 12 and update source and last is network is okay. The configuration of last router is done. So yeah, next we will config for the router reflector. Oh, R1. Okay, the router reflector is we will create on the router 1. You go to the BGP router I mean, and create like this to the router 4 and router 2. What router reflector client. Okay, and for okay. We check it first. Oh, so we will test ping to the router 3. Alhamdulillah, it's success. And now we will check it ping for all router. First we gonna ping to our site. Okay, success. Next, success. Oh, ping I mean. Okay, success. Oh, for the router 4 is success to ping to the all router. And router 1, we go to the router 1. Okay, success. Oh, success. Okay, in the router 1 is success too. And now we go to the router 3. Ping. Okay. And last, alhamdulillah, is router 2. Success. And last is low. Okay, so we success to create the router reflector on the Cisco with Paynet Lab. Thanks for your attention. And again, I apologize if there is a bad explanation. Maybe if there is an explanation that you don't understand, maybe you can check on the ChatGPT. I'm Faisal Mujadid. Thanks for watching.